As the Director of Innovation at Thimus, my job is to explore the new directions and the new possibilities in the scientific research and business development that we do. As someone whose background has been in a number of different disciplines, whether it be studying neuroscience in school, studying clinical psychology, or cooking in a professional kitchen, I bring my past experiences together to really understand how our team at Thimus can navigate the intersection of academia and business, which is incredibly challenging in both worlds. So much of my job entails working with people from different backgrounds and disciplines for us to try to figure out how we want to do valid research that really answers some of the hardest questions about the intersection of food, feeling, and culture.